with these.
The helms?
There was 2 color variations.
Red and green.
Yep.
Keep them for now. If we run into another stag agent, I mean, we can...
I should not be drinking this, but here we are.
Does anybody have an electric?
No. I used one of my... I have a crit stim, but I only have 1 left, and they're better for if you get hit.
Yeah, I had to use a stim.
I have a
Yeah,
stag...
I tried to inject the guy with it, but my muscles wouldn't flex fast enough.
I was trying to bandage him, too.
I don't know if you saw, I don't know what happened to you guys, but I got separated and I had to keep, that was very interesting. Firefight.
Anybody harvest the alpha?
I think we all killed a lot of mutants today.
We're not done yet. We're
Nope.
still going. Still need to push this. Still need to push the swamp.
Yeah.
You sure that's the best idea at this point?
Well,
There's nothing stopping us from, like, hunkering down inside of a building if it really gets too bad.
there's
for us.
buildings within the swamps. They're just further north. There's also
Yeah.
buildings at RCFI.
And I still, I'm full on the Lewis gun.
Do you
Alright.
have a weapon
So.
repair kit?
Yeah, I just
yeah,
refilled the
weapon
last
repair
of my
kit.
mags. I have enough to reload like 1
Weapon
mag
repair
once.
kit on the ground.
Yeah, I have a full PPSH mag, so that's 71 rounds. That should be
Single
okay.
shot. Hey, next time we deal with the wave, just like before, try to leg them.
Yep.
They'll crawl a lot slower, and then whoever's with a bolt action, just focus on dealing with the crawlers. Alright.
In about 50 minutes, I'll need to come ahead for a second, I will say, just so you guys are aware.
Oh man, we got about 4
What the
clicks
fuck is
to
it?
move.
Say, what the fuck is in this shit anyway?
Okay.
Need to move.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, fuck!
Fuck.
Shit!
Run! Run
Just
to
run.
the water. Just run.
Go to the water! Go to the water! Ow!
Oh fuck, there's a thrower. Swim into the deep.
I was gonna say, come over there, we can stand up and deal with the ones in the water.
They're stuck there. Where's
They didn't follow. I think they backed into the building.
you have a grenade on you?
Not a normal one. Why can't I stand? Okay, there we go.
Do we have a radio channel with them?
Not that I know about.
See if I can get in shouting distance of them.
Yeah.
Jax, you there? Can't get up there. Got to walk all the way around. Is that one of ours?
I don't recognize the gun.
Just try not to piss them off.
Yeah, we'll just take a loop. Dallas?
Hey, that's further right. It's further right. Right.
Do I want to head to it, or do we want to see if our guys are still there?
Trying to see if I can run into any mutant infected. We can get close enough to the back of the building. You can yell.
Yeah. We're in the second warehouse.
Start to slow down. Don't alert when you're sprinting or loud.
Y'all still in there? Andrew. Jax. They're not in there.
Yeah,
They're...
I think we need to push north of those gunshots.
Yeah. Shit, one sec.
You good?
I had to think about how to, set up a bandage properly. Quickly. Well, that helps.
Left, turn right, towards me.
I turned once I saw them.
They're up on the hill. Alright, let's loop back to Georgetown.
They're up there, they're shooting.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna head that way. Head towards the gunfire. Yeah, Lana, I saw at the last second as we were about to crest that hill, there was like 7.
I saw them too. Right when you were
I don't know
about...
why I said left.
Yeah, I guess let's went straight at them. That'll go
I
well.
was, said left, went right.
I do that all the time.
They went to, I think, it sounded like it came from Georgetown.
Alright.
That was, I fucking told you. Every time one of these storms rolls in, it's just like the last time.
I know. I find the locations to be a bit amusing that he was talking about, considering yesterday's activities.
What?
Considering where we went yesterday and the areas that he was going on about, those might be the areas he's talking about Espen with all the terminals and the fucking elevator. Found a magic elevator.
Very...
Oh, I missed it.
Check to see if I have a, yeah, I do.
What you got? Oh.
Hopefully, that's both of our guys.
Hopefully.
Alright, let's keep moving.
Yeah.
I haven't seen numbers like that in ages.
No. The last time I saw that many was at the Crow's place, which was a while ago.
That was more than the crows.
Well, that number. Generalized.
Yeah.
But yeah.
To be honest, I haven't seen that many mutated infected together. Especially when we opened the door and they were right there.
That was kind of terrifying. Just, hello! Oh, shit.
That's why I just said sprint through.
Go for the water.
You gotta know when to hold them. You gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them. And that was the time for us to fold.
Off to our
I
left.
think I hear gunshots. Yeah. I don't know why we just hopped this fence.
I don't know.
Jackson. Gee, I don't want to say Jackson. Jackson needs a different nickname. Did Jax ever say there was a rendezvous point for if shit ever went down?
No. He didn't.
Yeah, that needs to be something.
Next time we meet up, we'll set one. I mean, do we want to just... I was gonna say, let's call out over radio, but their radio's down.
Jackson.
Fire in the house?
Hey, there's a
They're here.
fire in that pub.
I can hear him.
What?
Wait, that's Virgil.
Who's there?
Us. Just us.
Okay. Okay, sorry.
How's everyone doing?
Hey.
I actually gotta go in my head for a second.
That's V. Where the fuck's Andrew?
I don't know. I think he's somewhere behind. He's on the way, though. Me and him took off running in different directions.
When did you see him last?
Huh?
When did you see him last?
Climbing the crane in Hazelands.
Which crane?
I don't know. It was the one in Hazelands docks.
The yellow one or the one that's meant to take stuff off of the crane?
The yellow one.
What the fuck's happening? I literally went to go and grab food.
I told you, this is why I was so adamant over the radio yesterday that everyone needed to be fucking prepared. Every time, I don't know what this storm is, shit always happens. Horrible shit too.
I was running
I'm
in the dark. I got caught out by the power plant and I saw mutated infected on the road. Was that you guys?
Yeah,
Did
they're
you hear
everywhere.
them?
Hundreds of them everywhere.
Are you hurt?
We
Do
just
you need
dealt
medical
with over.
attention?
I'm fine.
I'm low on blood, but I'll be okay.
Okay. What's the plan exactly?
Survive.
Yeah, I give it a few,
Sorry
maybe
about that.
20, 30 minutes before. Every time we stay still for too long, they somehow start fucking
Showing up, yeah.
showing
Yeah,
up
I'm just
on
drying
us.
off some clothes real quick.
Yep.
Yeah, thankfully I bumped into you because I'm running blind.
Yeah, it's not nice out there.
Understatement. Yeah, that'll keep the fire going for a little while. Well, if you need an extra gun at your side, I'm here to help. We will have like an
Yeah,
offer.
we're gonna need it.
Yeah.
Aim for the legs, take them down. So,
So-
the crawlers,
Missed.
and then
I missed the conversation. Where's Andrew?
Jack saw him climbing one of the cranes back at Hazeland Docks.
Gotcha.
But
Do you
Andrew's
have
still
a
back there.
sewing kit?
So, yeah. He has one of these on him, so hopefully he's okay.
I dropped one there.
Yeah.
Jack, look at the ground.
Thank you.
I'll just put that away when I get home.
If anyone needs any like duct tape to repair or make improvised suppressors, please come and see me.
Jax, try not to get cut. I used up like a full bandage. I only have 2 uses left.
Yeah, I still have your other bandage.
How much is in that one? Cause keep hold of it.
Disinfecting a sewing kit if it comes down to it.
Yeah, I don't. I just got that, and that's it on me. So, cause I brought a ton of bandages and
Hey, Lana.
ended up having to split them.
Now you have one from each company.
But
I have some medical
Where'd it
supplies
go?
on me. I always keep some.
hold up. Oh, it's in the. I actually have quite a nice set though. I like that.
Dallas, are you running 556?
No, 762 by 54 and 762 by 39. Out of 39, all I got left is 54, but I got an okay amount of it, so.
I've got
Do
a
you have that roll of
762 by
duct tape?
54. Oh, no, I've got 556 by.
Here, I got you for the duct tape. Here. Duct tape on the ground.
My belt's about ruined.
I'm just seeing if there's
Well, I
any
lost my
clothes to cut
pants
up.
already, so.
I should have cut up what was at the professionals.
I
Well,
got
we
shot
also didn't realize
twice. I
there
don't
was
know
a
who, but
massive.
somebody got shot.
We also realized that there was probably a horde of over 100 of them out there.
Yep.
That's not good at all.
I do have 2
Should we
stims on me, a
press
stag
on
and
to
a
the
crew.
swamp?
Virgil's blind.
But
Oh, yeah.
Yes, unfortunate. I need to get a better NVG head strap for my new bulk.
I can give you an MVG head strap. I just don't have one on me right now.
It's fine. Do you need me to come along
Actually,
with you?
wait.
I don't have my NVGs on me. That's the thing.
You can't wear helmets.
No, but Jackson can. Which means he can have a head strap.
But I don't have my NVGs with me. I got caught out.
We
I'm sure.
Does anyone have a spare set?
No, I.
The helmets don't
literally
have them
got
in there.
mine.
Oh,
I have a
strange.
set with the helmet in it.
Alright, good.
Okay, if you take that.
Thank you.
Oh, me, thank you for yesterday, by the way.
For what? Sorry.
Power plant.
Did it work? I
You got good visibility?
Let me just say it was extremely unpleasant, but it worked.
Maybe my mutation will be useful.
Just getting eyes on, looking around.
Yep.
Alright, what do you guys want to do?
We can press on or we can go home.
Lana's your leader, so. Let's keep some spacing between us two.
Yeah, I'm
Press on
fine
or
with.
go home.
I'm fine either way. I mean,
Press on.
alright.
Let
I was
me,
just getting some rags out of that.
get-
I found a thing.
Yeah, I'm getting rags.
That's
So
a
the
raincoat. You
ample
can't get
medical
rags out of a
supplies.
raincoat.
Hey, I got
you
one
can.
person coming up. Hey,
Yo.
Oi.
Jesus. Fuck, I hate you.
Oh
Nice.
God,
Nice.
Andrew!
here's your
Dang
clothes.
it.
Yeah, what?
Hey, fuck. Get me inside.
Get him
Fuck
inside.
this
Get
shit.
him inside.
Oh.
Come. This way. Inside.
Fucking hell, it's cold out now.
Yeah, go inside. Go, Andrew, go faster.
Get
Go any slower?
Andrew.
Come on.
inside.
Fucking again. Fucking hurt. Fuck.
Lana, I'm gonna go look for some more clothes.
Radio channel.
87.8.
Yeah, 87.8.
There you go.
You alright?
I've been better.
Do you need anything?
Come on. I need you to breathe for me, Mr. Andrew.
You guys hear me over 87.8?
Yep.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Right, I need you to keep your eyes open for me, okay? You can't be going unconscious on
He's
us. Not in here, okay? It's not
He's-
safe.
His pulse is weak. I don't have something for blood. The one thing I have is better if you're actually physically dying.
I have blood
Get the
bags, but I'm
stems
uncertain
wearing
as to what
off.
type.
You'll be alright. Stims are temporary.
Let's see. I'm gonna give you some painkillers, okay? It's gonna numb the pain, but that's all I can do at the moment.
Interesting helmet.
Yeah. It looks like the one I got off that person. Ooh.
Anyone have a blood test kit and a IV start kit?
Not on me, I didn't think to bring one. I grabbed two.
I'm A positive.
I'm O positive if any, but I'm low on
I got one of each too.
same.
Got one
I
of each.
can't give blood right now. It would just be not a good thing.
Yeah.
And she's
Pretty
a little
much, but
lucky.
it's warm.
Yep.
Because
Put it on. There you go.
I'm gonna take a look at that clinic if anyone minds. See if I can
oh my
find
gosh,
anything.
I'll go with you. Come on.
Yep, we'll stick with Andrew.
Come on.
Give a shout if anything happens.
Yeah.
Hey, Andrew, come back here and get warm.
Somehow, my stuff's not wet.
Hey. Alright, I still saved the vial.
Good. Those are deadly if the wrong people get a hold of them. Be careful with that. Don't put what part of your clothing is it in?
A bag.
If your bag breaks, that's gonna go off, just so you're aware.
I got an NBC. I had an NBC Adidas NBC suit. So
We don't-
it's kind of lit.
I bet Reed will find that funny.
He can't have it.
Take a look at
I
this
know.
fancy ass helmet.
You got one too? You can put
Yeah.
your
Doesn't
MVGs
really
in it.
do anything.
Put your MVGs
How
in.
can I?
Yeah, put your MVGs in it.
Yeah.
We gotta be.
Come on,
There we
B.
go.
I'm getting some more sticks for the fire.
Don't want to spend
Nice.
too much more
So-
time.
Yeah.
Man, I had to tear up my bandana to fucking live.
You should have run for the water like when we were yelling at. You would have been able to get away from them.
I did. Then when we all tried to move out and we got separated, I was forced to go to the crane.
What the fuck is even going on? I only saw this happen once, and that was when the oil rigs exploded.
It was like this with the oil rigs. It was like this when any dense fog and storm rolls in. These infected show up.
It's the weather pattern.
moving.
They, for some reason, can appear when the weather shows up like this. Maybe it's they don't like the sunlight.
Could be. The cold might also help
the
them with
moisture
how they're
thing.
running.
Yeah,
Cold
The
and
cold.
wet.
the moisture thing.
How's everyone doing for food? Lana, how are you? You must
I'm
be burning
good.
through your calories.
Oh, I'm good. I'm not cold.
I've got food on me. I was gathering food for myself, but I've got plenty.
Okay.
Alright.
Unfortunately, we didn't find an IV start kit. I have no delivery method.
Just
If we get separated, remember radios this time now that we have a channel. We can keep contact.
Yeah, 87.
I don't have a radio, but I'll stay
Then
close.
don't get
What's
separated.
that on? What's that on your strap?
It's my animal call from when I'm hunting.
Okay.
if we get separated, just head back to the castle.
Alright.
Or head back to the castle or head back here.
Alright, we should probably get moving before more of those mutated infected
Yeah.
pile in on us.
Because they will.
Come on, Andrew.